What does it feel like kissing another girl?
It feels really good. I've kissed girls all my life. I've never kissed a guy. So. And yeah, I would. I mean, I would not like let go of any opportunity of making out with a girl because it's really good. I mean, those luscious lips and juiciness. Yeah.
Have you ever kissed a girl?
I've only kissed a girl. I've never made out with a girl. Just saying.
Girl.
No.
What about you?
No.
Have you ever kissed a girl?
Yes, I have.
No, I haven't.
Have you ever kissed a girl? What?
Yeah.
No. Okay, have you ever kissed a girl?
Yeah.
Okay, and how different is it from kissing a guy?
It's not that different. It's kind of the same. Yeah, it's kind of the same with boobs.
Women's lips are like. Have you seen, like Katy Perry's song? Like you kiss a girl, it's like a dream. Really. Like I don't know how guys kiss. It's probably a sloppy mess. But girls are like they're pros. I think they're born kissers. We're all born kissers. So
It's not different. I mean, it's just kissing. At the end of the day, I kiss who I want to, so it's the same thing.
Would you like to experiment?
I don't know. I mean, not really intentionally, but if it happens, maybe I guess. I don't know. But nothing like, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I will if she's hot and she's sexy. Yeah.
Do you believe in experimenting?
You mean sexually? Yeah. If you want to.
Have you experienced any girl hitting on you?
Yeah, quite a few. Quite a
You? How was the response?
Okay, so the response was first when I moved to Bombay first, I was kind of creeped out. But then I got used to it and then it became fun.
Okay.
Yeah, it became really fun. You know, when you get to hear all those cheesy lines from girls instead of guys, it's really fun.
Okay, do you find girls hitting on you?
Yeah. Yeah.
And do you hit on girls?
Oh, yeah.
I have not a couple of times, like sometimes, especially when I got this haircut. So yeah.
No. You find yourself hitting on girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so when guys hear about girls sleepover, all they think is it's a pillow fight. What do you have to say? Yeah, what do you have to say?
Like, yeah, but I'm sure like mature guys don't have that concept because like I mean a lot of guys think the girls in their underwears and just like chucking pillows at each other, but that's really not it at all.
Guys are incredibly wrong when they think it's only about pillow fighting. Their sleepovers or their night out,
Bro, let's have a bro, let's go to the club, bro, let's go there, bro, let's check out girls, bro, let's go out
for a drive. But girls, sleepovers, they go crazy. They are insane. I've seen people passing out on bathroom floors, on Marine Drive, and going back home safely. They do 10 sorts of weird things, and they pass comments. They pass very, very cheap comments, which are too much fun.
Yeah, I think that we do a lot more. Like we drink, like we put masks on our faces, like changing clothes, like bitch about like men and whatever gossip is happening.
What's the weirdest stuff you've shared with a girl?
It's the weirdest stuff. Girls are weird. They just keep sharing weird stuff. They keep changing in front of each other. They keep digging their noses in front of each other. They keep grabbing the boobs in front of each other. Girls are weird. How can you classify weird, weirdo, weirdest?
Yeah, everyone goes through it, right? If you get on the bus, you get all squashed up with your boobs and everyone is like, aise haath se marenge. And I'm like, hey, it's my boobs, don't touch. Private part.
Well, I am pretty hot.
Why are you wearing so many clothes? Come on, take them off.
Shut up, I'm just wearing a t-shirt and an inner. The world can see my hotness from here.
Seriously?